Hello guys, this is a quick video review of the trades that I alerted in the room. The first one was at 9:32 a.m. The ticker is DADA or DADA, whatever you want to call it. So I was seeing this flushing quickly to the previous low level at around 41.83. So I started it around 41.88. I think it was half size. So I had planned to take an ad at around 41.10. I guess I kind of nitpicked on it. So I did not get my ads. However, my average was around 41.88. It quickly bounced around. I think I took around half off at around 42.59, somewhere here. I think I took some more at 43, right around here, like close to VWAP. However, I was not necessarily looking at VWAP at that time. I just saw the round number and I took some off, probably like quarter or more than a quarter at 43. And I was had a small piece left. I was looking for previous close level here at 44.25. I was looking for at least 43.90. I don't normally go by this like precise levels. I go like a little before that. So I was looking for 43.90, somewhere there, and I saw this happening. Like one shot it pushed through the VWAP and then kind of flushed back down. Then again it tried the same level at around 43.20 area, flushed back down. Same thing happened. Like it did like 3 times in 5-minute candles. Like 15 minutes it tried hard to push through that 43.20, did not go pass through that. And like when I see something like this, like a what's that, doji, when I see something like this, for me at least it says there is a temporary reversal going to happen. Okay, I am actually referring my my logs. Right, so I did see this and I actually did not. I mean, that's very strange of me too. So I did not take it off here. So I waited around to see what's gonna happen, and exactly what I thought. It did a reversal. So I took it off right at my my average at around 41.89. Right, so I mean, strangely enough, I did not stop out here, even though I realized it was a reversal. I stopped out right at my entry. Okay, so that's the trade on DADA. The next one was APPN. I was keeping an eye on this. It opened at around 154, close to 154. Although this flush was good enough to the previous low level, like it still was not enough, because this is a $150 stock. So I don't necessarily consider 154 to like 146 is big enough unless it's this whole one piece comes straight from here to here, right? So this kind of hanged around, like try to see up and down, then finally when this low broke, it flushed, right? So the next level for me was this 139.81 monthly pivot. So I had my full size order at 113, I think 140.02, somewhere close to this monthly pivot, right? I had no plans to add, so I would wait the whole 5-minute out, see how this gonna go. It actually went against me for about $2, close to $2, and it bounced back. I started taking my profits, I think, quite quickly. So my first profit was around 141.79. The next one was at around 142.85, like every dollar up. And the third piece was at around 143.46, somewhere here. And the last piece was at 144, just before it hit the VWAP. Okay, so that's on the last piece. I think I made about close to $4, right? So that's That's a pretty simple trade. I mean, my idea was simple. I mean, I would not add for sure. I would not add, but I would wait it out, right? So I would. The reason for me not to add is this: my full size position was at 140, and the next pivot area is around 130.55, right? So I would definitely not let it go against me for a whole $10 to just make $1 or $2 or $3. So I mean, my stop loss theory has always been this: like I'll take the entry and I allow that 5-minute candle to form, right? And like once that 5-minute candle is formed, I'll stop out right below that 5-minute candle breaks in the next 5-minute candle, not the current one, right? So I would wait for this candle to form. This is where my entry was, so I would allow this candle to form, and let's say if this candle pushed below this candle here, right, regardless of my conviction, I will stop out if I have no plans to add. So that did not happen in this case, and I ended up having a good piece of profit on almost like all the pieces of my sell orders that I had. So that's APPN. The next one is DM. DM. Hold on. DM was a short. DM was a short. It's a pretty straightforward short. I was watching this for a long at 1550. Did not flush like quickly enough and started grinding, so I ignored the stock for a long. On hindsight, I should have not, because this on a daily, this looks ready, like primed to get a reversal. Plus it had plenty of support at around 1540 area, and like look at this pivot stack up here, plus the 20-minute 20-day SMA like climbing up around 15 area. Anyway, so it's like I had this on my watch list. I was watching this, and it quickly started spiking, right? So this was a pretty good spike from around 1550 area to 1820. So I had my orders at around 1808. All these trades were alerted, like when it was about to hit these pivots, I alerted the room. So I got in at 1808. It went exactly to 1820. Quickly flushed. I think I took my first half at around 1780. Just locked in some profit. Then allowed like every 10 cent drop from there, I kind of started taking profits. I had my last piece left for VWAP test or to this previous close level at around 1680, 85 level. Well, that did not happen. So it kind of based here, kind of felt like it's gonna make its second leg up move. So right after it broke above this candle's high, right? So I took off the remaining small piece around 1750, 1752. So the reason why I was not too patient with this is just because how it looked on the daily. See, if you see this, it kind of extended from around 10 to 24. Did a quick 3-day drop. Started I think last Thursday, Friday, and today. So there is always a chance it's gonna do a bounce. So I was anticipating that bounce even after this quick spike. Once it started basing at around 17 area, so I realized there's no point in holding on to this. So I quickly jumped off. Was the right decision. If you see this, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be one more day of like a bounce back to around 20 area. So that's my trade on DM. Do let me know if you need any kind of. Do let me know if you need any further information on these trades. I'll be in the room or I will be in the review room. Catch you guys later. Have a good one, guys. See ya.